हेलो एंड यू वाचिंग क्लैपट्रैप वी आर बैक अगेन छोटे से चैनल पे आपका बहुत बड़ा स्वागत है बिफोर वी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट गिव अवेज वी रिक्वेस्ट यू वंस अगेन वेरी पोलाइटली प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल सो you do not lose on notification. Let's start the video. Watch it carefully. Hello sir, how are you?
Yeah, hi Sanjeev, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good, thank you very much.
Wonderful.
And it's so nice to see you once again.
Yeah, same here.
And we have a very you have been a constant companion of Claptrap, as everybody
Yeah,
knows.
It's
right?
been quite some time with Claptrap, and we are, you can say, eternal part of Claptrap team now.
Yeah, we did not realize. I think we have featured you 8 times, maybe 8 or 9 videos
Yeah.
we have done with you, right?
Now, every time, there's something new to learn from you and learn from the comments that people, post.
Okay,
So
you're making me
definitely,
nervous now.
Yeah, it is a very good, initiative
Okay,
by you, so that like people are getting awareness about the furniture or for anything that you shoot, and you ask question with genuinity, and people definitely are fond of your credibility.
right. Such a frenzy statement, so nice of you. Very motivational, and as we have said that earlier also, that you are a motivational speaker, right? So whenever
Yeah.
we shoot with you, trust me, I go with a lot of oxygen in my body. You just flood in.
Thank you, thank you.
I have personally come here to thank you because you have been, as I said, the constant companion with Claptrap. So I am visiting all the stores as much as possible just to pay special thanks. So a little bit of introduction about the store we will share with our just whatever the interaction with the journey we passed by together. So just share about that. How was it?
Yeah, it was a very nice journey together. Like say you don't have to see the destination. You should
Right.
enjoy the journey.
Oh, that's
so still
exactly.
every day when you shoot something, or every weekend when you shoot something, we really enjoyed that journey, and it's very great to be a part of Claptrap team or Claptrap group, and I'm very happy to see your subscriber base is increasing. And that is how like we have planned to give one of your subscriber a very lovely balcony set, so that they can it will enhance the beauty of their balcony while giving them the utmost comfort.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
So
Before we start revealing, there's a little bit of tidbit is required. First of all, Courtyard is known for outdoor furniture, as we all know,
yeah, that's true.
and premium segment outdoor furniture.
That's very true. So,
And sir, isn't it a little unbelievable for our viewers? Let's put it right and very simple and straight. That I think you're the only one who are, you're the only one in India who is crafting and designing, customizing. Very few people I know of, only one person, that is you, who is into crafting and customizing outdoor furniture.
see, this is our specialty and core competence, where all you can design your own furniture and we can customize it for you as per your specification. It will be as per you have designed. The color you can choose, the fabric you can choose, the wicker weaving pattern you can choose, the frame designing, or if you want something to be done with the aesthetics or the shape, you can definitely choose. And if you have a particular design in your mind, we can create the design for you. That
Okay.
also can be done.
Sir, why do you think this slow, but there is a transition? People used to consider outdoor furniture as one of the units lying vacant, or lying eating dust, biting on dust rather, and the balcony and not being used. And slowly people are actually going towards the designing because they have understood the creative aspect of it, or they start believing even balconies and outdoor furniture is as important as your indoor furniture. What is your take on that?
Yeah, that's true. It is basically, again, I should say that earlier people were not having awareness about how balcony should be used, because it depends upon a particular kind of furniture that will basically when it enhances the beauty of a space and people look at in anybody else's home, so they definitely derive a motivation or inspiration from them to use the same thing either on their terraces and all, because after you have used this furniture anywhere, you will definitely compare it with your home and visualize those things, how those things are going to look like when you have placed it in the vacant place at your home. So next part come designing thing. So when you have already decided upon a particular type of furniture, you would definitely like to customize it so that it will look better than what you have seen it somewhere else.
Exactly.
So there we come in the picture and we help you a lot in that way of designing the right kind of outdoor furniture that is very ergonomically designed for you.
Right, and quality of course is assured. Not many people actually pay attention to this.
Yeah.
Once again, I don't want to rub the wrong side up, but people make comparison. They'll compare outdoor furniture, the ditto and identical looking furniture units with the cheaper furniture units, but we don't deal into it. We basically sell premium segment.
Yeah,
right?
purely when we people want us to reduce the price. This is what we tell them. Ki if you have to compare, you please compare apple to apple.
Right.
You cannot compare a banana with an apple.
Right.
So it will be unjustification.
Yeah, it's not
as
fair.
per, yeah. So
Cool.
that's why.
So today giveaway is also premium segment.
Yeah,
one
it
unit.
is definitely. All our furniture are on site. We provide on site warranty for 3 years.
Okay.
The life is more than 5-6 years.
Right.
But this guarantee is valid pan India.
Cool. So let's reveal now.
Yeah, sure.
We have done a short. Already the picture was already posted in the community section. People started posting comments on that image and shorts as well.
It has to be done after we have posted this video.
Right. Okay. So first reveal the product and then
please.
we will talk about terms and conditions.
Definitely,
right?
Sanjeev.
Okay.
Definitely. Thank you.
All right. So time to go now.
Yeah. Sure,
Okay.
Sanjeev.
And this is the unit? Right.
Yeah, this is the giveaway unit that we have discussed earlier. As you can see, this is again our own manufactured product with the extrusion plant that I have already mentioned you. It comes with 3 years on-site warranty,
Okay.
and the frame is all MS powder coated 16 gauge, so it is very heavy. It's very ergonomically designed chair. For the balcony, it's one of our best seller.
Okay.
And the cushion, as you can see, the fabric is imported water repellent fabric, and the cushion is Sleepwell foam. So for cushion we give 5 years warranty, and the fabric, it is water repellent and in some cases waterproof also. So that comes again with a warranty of 1 year.
Okay.
So overall warranty is for 3 years apart from the fabric.
Perfect. I think that was very precise. Very basic few questions.
Yeah.
The structure, as you said, is very strong. But you said about the water repellent and water resistance. So what is the difference?
Water repellent is when it's drizzling, you can just on the cushion can be light outside, and when it rains you need to just remove it so that the water doesn't, if it stays for some time, it's going to soak inside.
Okay.
So if we can even give waterproof also. So let it be in rain, sun, winter, nothing will happen to it.
Okay.
Only thing, it will get dirty. You need to open that zipper and then you need to wash it and again put it on.
And but the waterproof fabric.
Yeah,
when
waterproof
it is used
fabric.
Waterproof fabric. It's skin friendly and it doesn't irritate.
It is skin friendly. It won't irritate your skin. And then we have water repellent also.
Okay.
Both the fabrics are there.
And water repellents, they feel more like cotton.
It is basically more, you can see, comfortable to body.
Okay. Rather than the waterproof.
Yes, that's
Okay.
true.
Cool. So this is the giveaway. 2 seats, 2 chairs
And one table.
One table with a glass top.
With a glass top, and that will be delivered free of cost in Delhi NCR.
Okay, done. And this is available in a brown color. This giveaway is going to be the same color? Or you
No,
want to
no,
make
no.
this
People
changes?
are free to choose any color of their choice. We can show them 65 colors to choose from.
Okay.
They can come down over here. They can choose their color. They can choose the fabric color, and then we can customize and we will make them the set
Okay.
as per their choices.
Perfect. Now we get into the detail of terms and conditions. How can I avail?
Yeah, as soon as the video is posted, so people can come down over here. And then we have a box. They can put their name and phone number slip in that. And by evening, we will mention who is the lucky winner for this set.
Sir, but one same day may not be, a lot of people must be busy. Can we keep it for 2 days?
2 days, 2 days.
Okay.
So we'll mention the dates on your channel.
Okay.
So people can come down within 2 days. And
Okay.
then
Whenever the video is uploaded, within 48 hours you can come.
That's
2
true.
days.
Yeah.
And come here and drop a slip.
yeah, drop a slip in the box, and then they can just go around and have a look at our showroom.
Okay.
They need not buy anything, but it's just I want my viewers to see my showroom, and then after dropping the chit in the box, in 2 days, in 48 hours, we'll just announce the winner.
All right, and this will be announced in the community section. Also, because the number will be available with you, so somebody from the calling department can call them up that you're the lucky winner, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So you keep on checking the community section. Also wait for the call. If you are a lucky winner, you will receive a call.
Yeah.
Earlier we decided to do it in a different way, but that was very complicated. It was causing too much of trouble for all the viewers.
That's true.
So you made it very simple.
Yeah, this is the best thing, no? And we'll
Okay.
keep on doing, every month we'll do this giveaway.
Okay. Oh, lovely. Oh, this is another good news coming in.
Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. I think we are sorted for today.
Yeah, thank
And
you.
we'll see you very soon.
Sure.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for coming, Sanjeev.
Thank you
Bye,
very
viewers.
much. And once again, thank you for being a constant companion with Claptrap.
Yeah.
We
Thank you.
definitely adore that and we respect that companionship.
All the very best, Sanjeev.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.